Oh, man. Today, you can see my wife is farming. Yeah. Wife is farming and baby is playing. You can see. Yes. Anyway, that is life for me here. Ooh. You know, just going to share, a thought, a kind of feeling, a confession, so to speak, about being a father. I posted I posted a video on Facebook, which I will upload and post it to YouTube. My baby, my small little girl, has started calling me daddy. Daddy, daddy. So it's pretty cute, you know. She said, daddy, daddy. I don't know from where she got that term. Like, I used to tell her, call me papa. And like even my wife, she teaches her to call her ma. Ma, me. Me in Thai means mother. Me. but she doesn't call me. She says, mommy, mommy. I think it's primarily because of the YouTube. It could be YouTube because she has a very Western slang. Mommy, mommy. And instead of daddy, you know, Indians say the D is heavy. Say, daddy, daddy. So my wife is, instead of me, it's mommy, and I'm daddy. So I need you to see that video. I'll upload it and I'll separate this thing. What happened was, I don't know, random. I was just doing my work. I just opened the door, and my baby started calling me daddy, daddy. And I was like, huh? Yeah, okay, what? And next thing you know, she comes running to me and she grabs my hand, you know, my fingers, and she is pulling me. And I'm not able to make head or tail of what's happening. So I go, and then she pulls me down and she's saying something. And just so that, you know, my wife communicates with my baby in Thai. I've told her, I'm very particular, I want her to learn Thai, not English first, because here she stays in Thailand and I want her to speak like a Thai. English is later on that I can teach, but I need her to get the fundamentals, otherwise she'll be ostracized by society. So she speaks to her in Thai and she's telling me something in Thai. So I look at my wife and my wife says, she wants you to sit down and sit with her. So I sit down. And then she starts showing me, you know, these toys and these cards, you know, these cards which have animals and it's written in Thai. So she's naming the animals in Thai and she's showing it to me. And I look at my wife says, yeah, she's telling you A for this, B for this, C for this. And so I said, oh, okay. And my wife then tells me, show interest. So I'm like, yeah, okay. So I show that I'm interested, you know. So my baby is happy, and my baby has this tendency when she shows something or something nice, my wife says, yay. My wife does that. So I also, you know, yay, I do that. So I sat for a few minutes, 2 or 3, and then obviously I had to go back to work. So when I got up, my daughter again stood up, daddy, daddy, and she pulled me down again. So I sat for another 2-3 minutes. But then I had to get up. And once again my daughter said, daddy, daddy. And then I gave her something else to keep her busy. I told my wife, call her. I went, made something in the kitchen. And when I came back home again, my daughter started chasing me, daddy, daddy. And by the time I had a customer client, you know. So I told my wife, take care, and she said, okay. Now, after I finished with my client, it took an hour. When I came out again, my baby was saying, "Daddy, daddy." So I told my wife, just divert her mind, give her something. And then my wife asked me why you are not playing with her, why you are not showing interest. I told my wife, I'll tell you later, because baby was there that time. And so after she went to sleep, my wife, obviously came into my room. And so, we always talk in the night before sleeping, before she sleeps at least. So my wife said, yeah, what happened? You didn't want to play with baby. So I made my wife understand, see, the thing is, if I make it a habit for baby to be fond of my presence and my company, like she's fond of yours, I'll not be able to do any work. And I need a peace of mind. I need that focus. The work that I do is that of a creator. I have to create things. It's not a repetitive task. Like even these videos that I make, it's not, if you notice, my videos are not the same, different topics. And most of them I have to sit, think, research. I have to be in the frame of mind, this exercise, all this stuff. And then editing, putting it up, dealing with clients, marketing, so many things are there. So I told my wife, I need that peace of mind. I need that mental, calmness. If I were to be with the baby, I'll exhaust myself. Because being with the baby is, yes, fun and all that, but it does take energy, effort, And that is one of the reasons why I made it very particular that when I get married to a girl, that girl shouldn't be working. She shouldn't have a job. Her only role should be to be in the house and to be there for that baby. So that baby will have good role models, someone to communicate, someone to translate, someone to guide in the proper way, because I never had that guidance. So that role my wife has taken, and I'll tell you, my wife does an incredible job, because sometimes when my wife is cooking, my baby goes and says, "Mommy, mommy," and she'll, my wife has to switch off the gas and go stand, and then she will show her ABC or 1, 2, 3, or sometimes you might find this, I don't know, if you have kids, you know this. My baby sets up her toys, like she's cooking in the kitchen and there's nothing there. It's a plastic plate, it's plastic, all these, plastic egg and plastic meat and plastic vegetables. And she actually acts as if she's cooking, and she'll give a cup of tea, empty cup or empty plate, and my wife has to it's just imagination that is working, there's nothing there. So she wants my wife to sit with her and have tea, and sit with her and have food. And so I don't know how they do that. One is, I marvel at the fact that children have such imagination. And the second thing is, I admire my wife's patience to be there, because for me, sitting there and looking at that empty plastic cup and plastic this thing, there's nothing there, and and this and that and that. I'm not I can act, I can play along, but the thing is, I have to work, and it kind of makes me feel bad that I cannot be the friend, I cannot be the father that my daughter wants me to be. I just cannot. The fact is, I choose not to. Because if I make it a habit, then my daughter will always, if she likes my friendship, if she enjoys that relationship, if she is fond of me being a father, then I have to dedicate time, I have to dedicate patience. And if I don't have that, maybe she'll be sad, So that's why I made sure that my wife is my baby's best friend. So sometimes I wish maybe I had so much money that I wouldn't have to worry, I wouldn't have to bother. But don't we all? But then again, after we get so much money, we once again we focus on making more money, right? So, my daughter is in her small little world. You can see, she's here now. Just see. I'll show you a few videos. See, she'll be talking to my wife. See, she's saying yes. You can hear? Yes, yes. You call me? She's calling me. Wait, I'll show you on the video. Have a look at how my baby reacts. Huh? Just I'll keep the video focused on her. You just have a look. See the way my baby reacts. One second. See here. Yes. Yes. What you want? Huh? What you want? Yes. What is this? Oh, you play sand. Okay, okay. Oh. What you want? Huh? What you want? You busy? My wife, she likes farming. She's making all these vegetables. So she's doing her pet project there. Okay, bye bye. See you. Say bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, see you. So this is my little one. Yeah, she's busy with her work, so that's why she's not interacting. Anyway, I'll put a link to the video. Check out that video. Just do me a favor, check it out, and you'll understand what I'm saying. But yeah, man, I don't know. You tell me what is the solution. Seriously, I don't know how fathers manage to do this, do their own thing and be the father. Not easy. Anyway, not a good father. Just good at working, I guess. Anyway, you guys let me know any tips. It's me signing off. Guys, take care.